kay Senator Jinggoy. I hope that he will handle all the challenges before him and he will become a president of the country. Yun ang dream ng lahat ng mga politiko, di ba? That is my wish for him. Birthday wish. Birthday wish lang naman eh.
Sana dumating yung araw na gumanda ng lalaki sa kaysa sa akin. The problem is it's a vicious cycle. They are conditioning the mind of the people through publicity that they are already guilty. But it's always presumed that people are always innocent unless proven guilty. And yet these people only seem to be the prosecutor. They always insinuate that they are already guilty without even being tried yet. You see? That's the problem. They condition the mind of the people that they are already guilty.
Sure, yung political ambitions.
That's what they did to me when I was being impeached.
Sure, yung political ambitions and political chances ni Senator Jinggoy, tingin nyo affected with the recent
In the meantime, yes. But once it's cleared, he'll be more popular.
So, sir, can we still expect Senator Jinggoy in 2016?
Yes, why not? Why not?